Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to upload file from OneDrive to Google Drive. So here my objective is that I want whenever I'm going to upload any file in my OneDrive folder that I've created, automatically the same file should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create an automation between OneDrive and Google Drive with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be OneDrive and my action application is going to be Google Drive. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to upload files from OneDrive to Google Drive folder. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to upload any file in my OneDrive folder, automatically that same file should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create an automation between OneDrive and Google Drive with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, you have to click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Upload File from OneDrive to Google Drive. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account. If you want to create your own folder, you have to click on this plus button right over here, and we're going to select a specific folder from these folders in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, you have to click on this drop down arrow. So these are the folders that I've created in a Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select Google Drive Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After selecting the folder and giving a name to our workflow, we're going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Upload File from OneDrive to Google Drive, and there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step by clicking on this arrow right over here, and for the trigger application, we are going to select it as Microsoft OneDrive, and for the trigger event we are going to select it as New File. We have selected our trigger application as Microsoft OneDrive and trigger event as New File because I want that whenever a new file is going to be uploaded in my OneDrive folder, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that file uploaded. As you can see right over here next to Microsoft OneDrive new file, over here it says 10 minutes. So this 10 minutes is the polling duration right over here because Microsoft OneDrive is a polling based application. That means in every 10 minutes, whenever a new data is going to be captured in Microsoft OneDrive, it is going to send the data in every 10 minutes to Pabbly Connect. So if you're not going to receive the new file uploaded details immediately, then don't worry because it is having a polling time, and if you want to make any changes in this polling duration, then you can contact to Pabbly forum. Okay, so what we're going to do is after selecting a trigger application and the event, we're going to click on Connect. As soon as you're going to click on Connect, a new window is going to appear in which you have to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After selecting Add New Connection, we have to click on Connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you which is asking for a permission. I'm going to click on Accept as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. As you can see that we successfully authorized Microsoft OneDrive with Pabbly Connect. After completing connecting Pabbly Connect with Microsoft OneDrive, over here it is asking for the set folder path. So how are we going to have the details of the set folder path? By following the steps given here below. Over here says that firstly we have to open our OneDrive folder that we have created. So I'm going to open my folder. As you can see, this is the folder that I've created in my Microsoft OneDrive account. And over here it says the path over here for the example is My Files arrow, Documents arrow, Images arrow, arrow animals. As you can see, this is the folder path right over here. So this is the folder path, that is my files arrow important files, as you can see right over here. It says remove my files portion and replace this sign with this slash right over here in the above example. So from this sign we are going to replace it with the slash, and for the my files right over here we are going to escape this part. So what we are going to do is we are going to just select this important files right over here, and we're going to enter right over here as important files. So this is my set folder path right over here, because we have to skip the part for the my files, and then we have to write over here as important files, as you can see right over here. After setting up the set folder path, it is asking for the event type. We're going to select it as new file created. That means whenever a new file is going to be uploaded in this folder, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. But before clicking on save and send test request, what we're going to do is we're going to upload a file in our OneDrive folder that we have created. So I'm going to open the OneDrive folder that I've created, and now we're going to upload a file in this folder. For that, we have to click on add new right over here. Then we have to click on file upload right over here. Then I'm going to select a random file and I'm going to upload the file in this folder. As you can see over, it says uploaded a resume PDF in important files, as you can see right over here. So here my use case that I'm using for an example is that whenever I'm going to upload new resumes in this folder, automatically that same resume should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. So this is the resume that I've uploaded in my OneDrive folder. As you can see, this is the resume right over here, and I want that whenever I'm going to upload any resumes in this folder, automatically that same resume should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. So as I've uploaded a resume right over here, after that I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you're going to click on save and send test request, over here you can see a response is captured, and the response that we have captured is for the file name as a resume. So this is the resume of a participant A in a PDF format, as you can see, and this is the details of the file that we have uploaded right over here. So this means that we successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive with Pabbly Connect, and our trigger setup is done. Now we have to set up our action step, and our objective is that whenever a new file is uploaded in our Microsoft OneDrive account, automatically the same file should be uploaded in our Google Drive account. So what we are going to do is I'm going to select my action application as Google Drive. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Drive. And for the action event, we are going to select it as you can see, if you're going to scroll down over here, it says upload a file. We're going to select our action event as upload a file, and then we're going to click on connect. As soon as you're going to click on connect, a new window is going to appear on which we have to click on add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we're going to click on sign in with Google. After clicking on sign in with Google, a new window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. I'm going to click on allow, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. As you can see that we successfully authorized Google Drive with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for the URL, which file do we have to upload in this folder that we have created. So over here for the URL, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this automation workflow. How we're going to do that? For that, you have to click right over here. You can see this was the previous step of this automation workflow, that is Microsoft OneDrive new file. Over here you can see it says Microsoft OneDrive new file. If I'm going to click on this arrow right over here, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. Over here it is asking for the file URL that we want to upload in our Google Drive folder. If you're going to scroll down over here, you can see this is the URL provided, and this is the URL of the file that we have uploaded in our OneDrive folder. I'm going to map this data right over here. As I've selected the data is mapped right over here. As I map the data right over here, the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data over here in place of this map data, as you can see right over here, is going to be updated with the new response. Okay, next it is asking for the folder ID right over here. Over here it says the example is given right over here. So if I'm going to open the folder that I've created in my Google Drive account, so as you can see, this is the folder that I've created in my Google Drive account in the name of important files as well. So we have to find the folder ID. As you can see, this is the URL of the OneDrive folder right over here, and after the slash, this is the folder ID. So I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste the ID over here. After that, it is asking for the file name. So for the file name, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data again. Click right over here, click on this arrow right over here. Now we're going to map the data of the name that we have received in our previous step. So this is the name of the file that I want to be uploaded in my Google Drive folder. After filling all the details, we're going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you're going to click on save and send test request, over here you can see a response is received, and for the result status, over here it says success. So this means the file might have been uploaded in our Google Drive folder. We're going to check whether it is uploaded or not. I'm going to open our Google Drive folder, and yes, as you can see right over here, file is uploaded in our Google Drive folder, and this is the same file that we have uploaded in our OneDrive folder, as you can see right over here. So this means that we have successfully connected Microsoft OneDrive with Google Drive. So now what I'm going to do is, for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether this automation between these two applications is successful or not. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to upload another file in our OneDrive folder, and after 10 minutes, as I've already told you that Microsoft OneDrive is a polling based application, after 10 minutes I'm going to check whether the new file is uploaded in our Google Drive folder as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a new file in our OneDrive folder. I'm going to click on add new right over here. Then we have to select files, upload right over here. I'm going to select another resume, and I'm going to upload that resume right over here. As you can see over here, say uploaded B resume PDF to important files. I'm going to open this resume right over here. So this is the resume that you can see right over here is uploaded in our Microsoft OneDrive folder, and I want that the same resume should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to check whether the file is uploaded in our Google Drive folder or not. For that, after 10 minutes, I'm going to open my Google Drive folder. And yes, as you can see that after 10 minutes, a new file is uploaded in our Google Drive folder. I'm going to open this file. The name of the file is bresume.pdf, and this is the same file that we have uploaded in our OneDrive folder, as you can see right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now, to sum up till now what we have done, my objective was that whenever I'm going to upload any file in my OneDrive folder, automatically that same file should be uploaded in my Google Drive folder. For that, we have created an automation between OneDrive and Google Drive with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create an automation between these two applications. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.